Hello guys, hello mga loves, kamusta kayo? So it's been a long time na hindi ako nakapag-vlog guys kasi nga medyo naging busy. Ang daming inaasikaso. So for today's vlog guys, papunta ako ngayon, bibisitahin ko si Rahad sa bahay niya kasi for almost 2 months, 3 months kami hindi nagkita. So ngayon, eto nagkaroon ako ng time para puntahan siya. So, bibisitahin ko si Rahad guys. Pupunta ako ng Alwada. So, i-check ko guys muna kung meron akong load ng card ko. So, magbabas ako kasi mas maganda magbus. Malapit lang mismo sa kanya since mas makakatipid. Tsaka sayang kasi guys yung ilo-load ko sa bus card ko kung di ko naman nagagamit. So, ngayon pupuntahan ko si Rahad guys. So, titignan ko kung saan kami pwedeng mamasyal, kumain. Ayun. So, hopefully guys, magustuhan nyo yung video na gagawin ko ngayon. So, since day off ko, eto, nagkaroon ako ng time para makalabas. Kahit mainit. So, itra-try namin kung saan kami pwede mag-vlog ni Rahad. So, dala ko yung tripod ko guys. So, hope you enjoy this vlog guys. And thank you for watching. Please, sa mga hindi pa nagsasubscribe, mag-subscribe na kayo sa aking YouTube channel. And paki-share na rin, paki-like guys. So, see you guys later. Finally guys, nakapag-load na rin ako ng bus card ko. So, medyo matagal ang mag-load ng bus card kasi nga marami yung nakapila. Kasi rush hour na at this time. Around 5:30 na ng hapon. So, ayan, papunta na ako rito sa may bus stop. So, tatawagan ko na lang si Rahad kung saan ko siya i-meet. Kasi guys, mas masarap mag-bus dito eh. Mas na-challenge ako pag nagko-commute than taking taxi. Sayang din kasi yung nasisave ko sa pamasahe. So, ayan, pupuntahan ko na yung bahay ni Rahad. Sasakay na ako rito ng bus. So, ayan guys, nakababa na ako ng bus dito sa may area ni Rahad. So, near Mubadala lang pala siya. So, sabi ni Rahad, ayun, dito lang daw siya along this area. So, hanapin ko na lang. Ang init, guys. Grabe. Magtatanong tayo kung saan yung Parco. Supermarket daw, Parco. Tatanong tayo dito sa mga tao dito. Ang init kasi, guys. So, grabe talaga. Kasi before, lagi lang ako nagta-taxi. So, Kuya, you know where is Parco Supermarket? Parco.
Parco?
Yeah.
This building, after this building.
Behind.
Yeah,
Thank you so much, Kuya. Okay. So, yun guys, behind this building daw. Si Rahad kasi ayaw akong labasin eh. Sabi ko sa kanya, sunduin niya ako dito sa may bus stop. Kasi may papaano siya sa akin, papayos na CCTV, papakonect niya sa akin sa room niya. So, kaya yun, sabi ko sige, timing na rin since day off ko, pasyalan ko siya. So, pwede nga pala talaga ako rito guys, maghanap ng room. Kasi, pag dito ako nakahanap ng room, malapit lang sa airport. So, ito na yung Parco Supermarket. Okay. So, ito na siya. Tawagan ko na lang si Rahad. Sabihin ko na nandito na ako sa may Parco Supermarket. Tawagan ko na si Rahad. So, ito pala guys yung Parco. Ayan. Parco Supermarket. So, hintayin ko na lang si Rahad kasi ang init. Grabe ang init ngayon guys dito. Para kang niluluto. Si Rahad. So, sinabi ko sa kanya na dito niya ako meet sa may Parco Supermarket. So, yan, bumili muna siya ng soft drinks kasi pawis na ako. Sobrang init guys. Grabe. So, ilan ba yung rito? Weather So, Rahad, hi!
Hi everyone! How are you?
Long time, no?
Yeah, we've been long time.
So, now I know. At least it's near, no?
Yes, near. I think you know, but you forget.
So, but if I will live here, so I will take bus
just
here.
come here. Yeah, if you want to go again.
Airport,
other side,
right,
back, yeah.
So, this your building.
And to
Because I don't
direct
remember.
go bus airport.
Huh? Yeah, there's a bus, yeah. Because sometimes I'm going early, you remember, 4 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, I'm taking. Because last time you picked me in the ice cream. Which one is that? The ice cream shop.
Back side. This one.
Yeah, that's why you look at.
Because taxi coming the other way.
What's the weather now? I too much. 34 or 40.
Yeah.
Say hi to your fans.
Hi friends, how are you everyone? We have been long time because
How many months?
I think 4.
Last time when we walk in Cornich, no?
Yeah, I think
Cornich.
4 months or
3 months. I
3
think.
months. I think.
Very hot. My friend.
Yeah.
So we will go or no?
We go now just to check if you fix it.
I can
Then
connect.
okay. Then
This CCTV where? In the building?
No, my home in Pakistan.
Okay. But they need to send me the... It's
have
open
already
now.
connection.
It's
Yeah.
open. So guys, ito yung room ni Rahad. Show your room. Invite your fans to come. Where is your bird?
Wait, I close. You come, I close.
Huh?
You come, I close. Okay. Close. Yeah, okay then.
So guys, ito yung alaga ni Rahad pet.
Yeah.
What's the name? What's the name?
It's roomy.
You have 2?
Yeah.
One green and one blue?
Yeah.
Huh? So this one is who? What's the name of
It's
this?
roomy.
Rumi?
Yeah.
This one?
This one is new.
What's the name? No name?
No name, no.
Put name. Give name, no? So guys, ang ganda ng room ni Rahad. See? Rahad also loves plants. See? Rahad also this dim light. How long you been here, Rahad? In this area?
I think 3 years.
So guys, si Rahad, friend ko na siya since... We are friends how many years now? Rahad?
I think 2 years.
2 years?
Yeah.
Yeah. Since after pandemic, right?
Mm-hmm.
So what I'm going to do? You have the QR code? So guys, kasi si Rahad, gusto niya rin i-connect yung CCTV niya. Same like what I'm doing in Philippines. I have a CCTV connected to my house there, right?
Yeah. I have also in my mobile, but I want in my TV.
Possible?
Yes, possible.
This new or what?
Which one?
The TV.
It's new.
You need to download the app. But the thing is, if it's not if the app cannot be downloaded, what's the name of your brand? You need to find here. Why the app cannot be open?
What open?
Wait.
Anji.
So guys, hanapin natin yung... Yeah. You have to check in the Play Store. What's the name of your...
Isviz.
Huh?
Isviz.
Show me. I don't know.
Anji.
Who is that? Your brother?
Yeah.
What I'm saying...
Munda ko vlogger to hai.
This your email?
Yeah.
Because need to do your email.
No, this is not my email.
And whose email is this?
I don't know.
So we need to go back. What is back here? Back.
This one back na. Awesome plan to hai yaar janda.
Which one is you? The first one? Or another account?
Other account.
You know your email? Your password also?
Yeah, kya?
That's your brother? Huh? How are you? What is how are you in Pakistan?
No, he is there in Muscat, Oman.
Oman.
Work there.
But how you greet? He is your kabayan? Pakistan also.
Yes, my brother-in-law.
Then how you say how are you in Pakistan?
What?
How you greet? How are you? How you say in your
क्या
language?
हाल है क्या हाल है
Kya hala? Kya hala?
Yeah. This is my email ID.
Type on the. You
ये वो है ना वो कर दा वो देखिए वो कैमरा लाया था वो कर दा ये
try this.
vlogging,
You
vlogging
eat
कर दा।
corn. Corn.
अपना सामान सारा लाया था वो कैमरा लाया था रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है
Yeah, I'm a blogger, Kuya. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. You're watching YouTube? Huh? Huh?
ਇਹਨੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਕਰਦਾ ਨਾ ਮੇਰੇ ਨਾਲ ਮਿਲ ਕੇ ਬਣਾਉਂਦਾ ਵਲੌਗ YouTube ਤੇ
I'm a blogger.
ਆਇਆ ਹੀ ਸ਼ੂਟਿੰਗ ਕਰਨ ਵਾਸਤੇ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਕਿਹਾ ਉਹ ਕੈਮਰੇ ਦੇ ਘਰ ਲਵਾਏ ਹੈ ਨਹੀਂ ਆਂਦਾ
So yan guys, i-connect ko muna yung CCTV ni Rahad dun sa TV niya. Guys, try kami i-connect ni Rahad yung CCTV niya, but it's not working, no? We try. I don't know guys because I'm using the what's the name of my brand? Xiaomi. But it's using, what's your brand name CCTV? Isbis. But it's not working here. We cannot open from his phone. So yun guys, ang ganda ng bahay ni... Why you have this cruise? Who gave you this?
Which one?
This one. So guys, before Rahad is a sailor. So he has a nice room, no? And solar air condition, imagine. Rahad is very rich person. He's using only one AC. So ang ganda ng room niya. You decorate all this? Huh? Your speaker working?
Yeah.
You see guys, Rahad is very rich now. He has a TV, speaker. He has a parrot, bird. And he has this collection, no? See? Nice guys. And he has this, the Sheikh, yeah?
Sheikh Khalifa.
Yeah. See guys, he's very clean in the room. Huh? You paint this also? Before? Huh? Guys, pinakawalan niya si Rumi. So guys, that is Rumi. See?
He's sitting here. If I'm go outside, he's sitting here.
He's not flying.
No.
Really?
Yeah. But here flying. It's not bite. You want? Take.
Can you put? So guys, ito si Rumi. Rumi. Hello, Rumi. So ito yung pet niya. How old now, Rumi?
7 years. Oh, 7 months.
7 months now, Rumi. Then the other one, what's the
This
name?
one,
Give name.
yeah.
He's flying. Only like that.
Yeah.
He's not flying
But
much.
inside flying.
He knows you, no? That's why he go to you, no?
Yeah.
See, after I put him on my arms, he didn't. See, he likes to stay with Rahad. He knew Rahad too much. No? Yes, Rumi. How are you? How are you? At least you make yourself busy now with him.
Yeah. When I go outside, he just stay here.
Only like that. Then
Yeah.
the kids, they see.
Yeah.
Huh?
Kids are big people. See.
Huh?
Yeah.
But it's okay
It's okay.
to bring. No problem. Yeah, we can go together, no? So where we will eat? What do you think? What if we bite you on your tongue? Kiss? Kiss, Rumi? Kiss? This one, no? You cannot bring
Which one?
this
no,
one.
no.
Huh?
I acted to Timo for Yeah.
Huh?
Angry.
Playful.
Too much angry.
Huh?
Scared.
So yun guys. So where are we going? We will go to the park or no?
Yeah.
There it is. Same Emarat.
Yeah, but not go inside.
No other park. You know another park here? Maybe there's another park.
Yeah, it's far.
Very far. How about other place? Not even not park, but there's a
Good
nice and yeah trees, plants.
Not near. I have far. This
See?
one.
Rumi was there.
Oh, it's crazy.
Yes, Rumi. Huh? Huh? It's only like that. Huh? See, he's hiding there, guys. See, he's hiding on his. He's very playful, no?
See?
Where are you going?
That's not it.
You're playing with your friend there? Rumi. See where he will go.
Go. Now go inside.
Huh? It's open?
No.
Huh?
No, just go backside, playing, thinking. See, he's shy. You are coming, he's shy. He's big man. It's too much talking this one.
See guys, this is another one. Oh, where's Rumi? Rumi, come here. Come.
Rumi,
Ah, he's shy.
yeah, he's shy to you. That's why. Too much talking.
This is the building of Baraha. This is in the top, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, the view. Ang ganda ng view sa building nila lang. So you have a magic carpet, no? Is this flying? Flying? Aladdin. You know Aladdin? Are you also go there? See, guys. Ang taas. Aladdin. How many floors this building? How many floors?
7.
So guys, lumabas muna kami ni Rahad para mamasyal. So papunta na kami dito sa park. Where is that park? It's far?
But we go by talking, no problem.
Okay. So yan guys, naglalakad kami ni Rahad. On the way kami doon sa park. Ganda guys yung mga landscape nila rito. Gaganda ng mga plants na nakatanim nila. Naalagaan siya rito. So this area is what area?
Mamura. Al Mamura.
This is Airport Road.
No. Airport road backside.
This place.
This is Al Mamura. Starting building.
See guys. So yan guys, nandito na kami, malapit na kami sa Delma. Delma, you said Dalma. It's Delma Park.
I say Delma.
No, you said Dalma. That's why. Actually, it's finished 5:30. Then me, I'm off. I'm day off today and tomorrow. 2 days off. That's why I tell him, okay, let's make vlog. We will go to this park. So which area is this? What area?
Al Nahyan.
Okay ba talaga si
Yeah, mostly Pakistani. Mostly also Pakistani handsome. They are handsome. They have a nice nose, beautiful eyes.
babaero nga lang, no?
Ewan ko dyan. Kasi pagdating sa ganyan, di ko siya pinapakialaman. You have too much ladies?
Where?
So, here in...
Yeah, my too much follower in TikTok.
He has a lot of followers. So yan guys, meron kaming ka-chat na Pilipino dito sa live TikTok live ni Rahad. So taga Davao daw si ate. What's the name of ate?
Al Nahyan.
No ate.
Ate name Diamond. Diamond.
Oh yeah.
My name is Diamond.
So ate is Diamond in TikTok. What's your account? Invite them in your account to follow your TikTok account.
Pa-send mo lang sa kanya yung
Okay. Rad later will message me the TikTok account of Ate. So please guys, subscribe nyo kami, follow nyo kami. So hopefully soon guys, we find time to visit Davao, Philippines. It's a beautiful place there. So Rahad is planning also soon to see the beautiful place in Davao, guys. Yeah.
Diamond.
Davao City.
If I'm
So nandito na kami guys sa may ano ni Rahad, sa main park, Delma Park.
You're not single.
No, I'm single. Ask my friend. I'm single na.
Are you single?
See? I'm single.
So guys, nandito na kami ngayon sa Delma Park.